Are you satisfied with your bathroom? Is it a space where you can reset, unwind, and feel at peace? If not, you're not alone. Many bathrooms end up feeling more stressful than soothing. Over time, wear and tear, outdated features, or shifting needs can make it harder to feel truly comfortable in a space meant for care and calm. That's why it can be helpful to explore how small, thoughtful updates can create meaningful change. A bathroom remodel doesn't have to be overwhelming or disruptive. With the right plan, improvements can be made in a way that fits your timeline and enhances your daily life. Every remodel starts by paying attention to how you use the space, what's working, and what's getting in the way. A free estimate is a good place to begin, offering a chance to explore design ideas and talk through options. From there, working with trained local professionals can help with layout choices, material selection, and overall coordination. Whether your focus is on accessibility, better organization, or a more modern design, there are a wide range of bathroom renovation features to elevate your bathroom. Fold-out seating can make showers more comfortable. Built-in shelving keeps essentials within reach. Grab bars offer extra support and peace of mind. These kinds of new bathroom upgrades are designed with real-life use in mind. Materials matter too. Leaf Home bath tubs and showers are made from fade and crack-resistant antimicrobial surfaces, making them easier to clean and maintain so you can spend less time worrying and more time enjoying your space. Whether your bathroom project is a major overhaul or a few focused updates, it's worth considering how the space can better support your day-to-day needs. A well-thought-out, updated bathroom can offer more than just a fresh look. It can transform into a space that helps you feel more grounded, refreshed, and at ease. If you'd like to explore what's possible in your own home, visit leafhome.com/bath.